lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today is a really quick video. I am unboxing some nail couture, the 123 Gold soft gel tips, and there's a lot of questions about these tips bending. So I am gonna actually play with the tips a little bit and show you just show you my thoughts on the tips. And I'm going to be very honest in this video. I initially didn't want to order from this company just because of the bad customer service feedback that I had heard. But I really wanted these tips. So I ordered the tips, and then while I'm waiting for my tips to come, there's all this drama on social media, YouTube, yada, 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 about if the tips bend. My thing with the whole thing, and I'm gonna be really honest, and I know I'm just a small YouTuber, I don't have my own business or whatever. My thing is customer service. So if someone's not satisfied with your product, to berate them, because even if they were using it wrong, whatever the situation was, is extremely unprofessional. I know that in this day and age, we have more access to companies, they have more access to us, so it's easier to just spew our thoughts without any regard for professionalism or how you make people feel. So, yeah, that left a bad taste in my mouth, but I had already ordered my stuff, and as you can see, all sales are final is plastered all over everything, which kind of makes me feel like I'm buying something on clearance, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, so I didn't order too much from the company. I did order a nail art tool, and I ordered this monomer that's supposed to smell like candy, cotton candy. So once I got to the saran wrap that this was wrapped in, I could smell the monomer. So I'm not gonna play with this monomer tonight because it's pretty late already. It's cold outside. When I use regular monomer, everything in my house is open and the fan's on. So I'm not gonna open that tonight, but it does smell pretty strong through the bottle, so I'm not too excited about that. So I tried to open this acrylic and I couldn't get it open. I do eventually get it open later in the video. I think it's just because I had entirely too much lotion and oil on my hands, but I do get it open and do a quick swatch later. Anyways, let's get into these tips. So this is how they come in a bunch of plastic bags. On his website, you can actually order the box if you want to put your tips in there. These were only $14.99, and I believe there's 250 of them. So it's way cheaper than the Apres, and I would have liked them to come in the box just because, but it's fine. It's not necessary. So this is the size 0. This is the biggest size. So ignore my cuticle area. I've been picking off my gel polish. So this is how long they are. I do have a little bit of polygel still on my nails, so I probably would not get sidewall to sidewall coverage on these. I probably would have to adjust them a little bit. And I am bending them here. They do bend near the cuticle area. So here's my thoughts. Yes, these tips do blend. These are soft gel bend. They are soft gel tips. So they are thinner at the cuticle area and the nail bed area, but as you get to the tip of the extension of the nail, whatever you want to call it, they do get thicker. So they do not bend at the tip, they just bend where your nail bed would be. So my opinion is, if you have short nail beds, you're not gonna cover, you're gonna have some exposed where the tips are still thinner. They're thinner because we want to blend them in. We don't want to put a whole entire thick tip on our nails. Then it's not going to blend in the cuticle area. It's going to look really bulky. So yeah, they do bend, but That's because they're thinner for aesthetics. And when you build your nail thinner on your cuticle area. I would like the thickness to start sooner on the nail, more in the middle of the nail bed, so that you're building up your apex. There is a curve to them, so you want to fill that whole curved area up with product, because then you're going to have a gap between your nail and the nail tip. So I'm actually going to do a full set with these this weekend. Right now I have short nails. I cut my nails because I wanted to braid my hair, and then I just took down the length and some of the bulk of the poly gel, the brand new poly gel, and then just added the Madame Glam gel polish on those. So I just made myself some little shorties. But I will be doing a full set with these this weekend. So this video right now, it's probably Friday. You're probably watching this on a Friday. So on Sunday, I should have a video using the tips. But these are just my initial thoughts, like out of the bag. I do wish the thickness started a little bit sooner on the tips, but they are curved, and I have more of flat nails. So I'm going to have to add a lot of product in between my natural nail and those nail tips. I know I did see a video with Max and Susie on her channel, and for that problem you would just use poly gel. I think their poly gel is called Tappy Gel. So I'm just going to play with them this weekend, but I wanted to let you guys know what I thought. If these tips are amazing and they look great, then I may order more from his store, but just the unprofessionalism just rubbed me the wrong way. The fact that everything is all sales final makes me feel like I'm buying something off clearance. The unorganized website, like these products are probably amazing, but it's just the presentation of them it just leaves a lot to be desired. But anyways, I did get the acrylic open. This acrylic is gorgeous. This is the diamond white powder. That's the name of it. And so this little container was like about $7, but I'm using my Mia's Secret Fusion odorless monomer to cure this, and then that monomer, the Fusion monomer odorless, you do cure that in the lamp. And I'll post the video in the cards for you guys. But come back on Sunday and watch me work with these tips. Let me know what you guys think about the structure of them. Have you guys used these? If you have any tips for me before I do the full set, let me know in the comments down below. And this video is just my honest opinion about me spending my money, where I like to spend my money, what type of companies I like to spend my money with, what types of customer service I like to receive. It's not a personal attack on anybody, because that's not really my style, but I will be honest with, you know, my thoughts or whatever. If we're disagreeing in the comments, some people love these products, some people don't, that's fine. I don't want anyone in the comments like attacking anyone, but yeah, just my thoughts. Customer service is huge to me. So yeah, like I said, I had already ordered these, but if I didn't order them, I wouldn't have after I saw that display. Anyways, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back Sunday with the full set of nails.